Welcome student in my maths step by step class. In today's we will do mental maths questions and these are also very important. So let's start. See, question first is 5 plus 0 equal to what? Where I have put dash and underline, that means question asked in exam like this. You have to fill the dash. Like 5 plus 0, 0 means nothing. So 5 plus 0 is 5. Right? So 5 plus 0, you will fill here 5. Then 3 into dash equal to 24. 3 into dash equal to 24. So you will think in your mind 3, 8 ja 24. So you will write 8. You will revise table of 3. If you are in very small class, very junior class, you have to revise table. But if you are in bigger class, easily, quickly click in your mind 3 8 ja 24. So you will write 8. Right? 16 divided by 4. Again you will think table of 4. 4 4 just 16. So you will write 4. Right? Then here 1 upon 3 multiplied by 24 or 1/3 of 24 can be asked like you. So you will think 3 8 ja 24. So you will write 3 8 ja 24. So you will write it 8. Then here these are very important for mental maths. Many of students do mistake in such types of question. So here 1 year equal to how many months? So whenever month is asked, you will write 12. Right? 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to how many weeks? Weeks means how many Sundays, how many Mondays they used to come in 1 year. So answer 52 weeks. How many? 52 weeks. 1 year equal to 365 days. 1 year equal to 365 days. If 1 year is asked, that means it is about normal year. Right? If question is asked 1 leap year. Leap year, I think you all know what is leap year. A leap year is that year in which February month has 29 days. Okay? And after every 4 year, February month has 29 days. So we call it a leap year. So 1 leap year is equal to 1 more day from the normal year. So normal year has 365 days. So it has 366 days. So 1 leap year is equal to 366 days. So before filling the blank, you have to read what is asked, whether it is months, weeks, days or leap year. So read the question properly. Next question, 35 minus 25. So 35 minus 25, see, you can keep that in mind. If you are active student, you can easily subtract them. 5 minus 5, 0 and 3 minus 2, 1. So that is 10. And 35, 25. You can think in your mind and see after 25, 35. You have done skip counting also. So here 10. After, see, watching this video, think in your mind why I have written 10 here. Okay. Then 200, 3 tens and 50, 5 ones is written. Right. So here it is written in expanded form. So this is not standard form. Okay. Children, students are confused about standard form and expanded form. Standard form is that form in which we write numbers generally. Okay, general form is called standard form and this is called expanded form. And expanded form can be written like this and like this also. So that's why I have taken both type of question. If question is asked 200, 3 tens and 5 ones. So answer will be 235. Right? And if the same question is asked like this, 230 plus 5. So meaning of both question is same, but they are asked in different manner. So you can't say that this question is wrong and this question is right. Both questions are correct and you have to answer them like this, 235. Okay. After this, 37.25 in expanded form. So this we have done. So if you have not watched my videos, go through it and watch them. So decimals we have completed. So 30 we have to expand in expanded form. So we have to write place value of this. So 30 plus 7 plus after decimal 2 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100. Right? This one. Next question is place value of 7 in 3724. Place value. Keep that in mind. Place value. That means you have to write place. At what place 7 is. So we have to count ones, tens, 100. So 7 is at 100 place. So we can write 700 like this also, and we can write like this also 700. Sometimes teachers used to write like this 700, like 200 is written, so we can write 700 or 100 place. Okay. Then face value of 2 in 3724. Same number is there in this. Face value of 2 is asked. So face value, face means as it is looking. So face value of number is same as the number is. So you will write face value of 2 in 3724. But 2. Same face value, same number will come. This we have done, place value and face value. If you don't know, if you have any confusion, you can go for that video also. See and keep revising and take more question from your book, mental maths book, so that your concept will be clear and you will score good marks. Mental maths is very good for scoring good percentage, good marks in maths. Okay, so happy learning and stay happy and always be positive. Okay, and maths is very interesting subject, so always learn more and more question. Practice is must. Okay, so see you next class. Have a very good day.